Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find and use the vintage moon font to your designs in Canva. So here I've already opened my design, and let's say I want to change this text font into vintage moon. So you can just click on the text and click on font. Then to find the font, you can just click on the search column and type in vintage moon. Okay, click on search, and in here you can see there is a vintage moon font that you can use, but you can only use it if you are on the Canva Pro. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.